The future of warfare hovers silently above us, unseen but omnipresent, transforming battles in ways once confined to science fiction. Imagine a war where the victor is determined not by sheer numbers, but by the precision of a strike from thousands of miles away, executed without a single soldier setting foot on enemy soil. Picture a battlefield where the eyes in the sky gather intelligence with unparalleled accuracy, offering a glimpse into enemy plans before they can even be enacted. This is not a distant dream, it is the reality brought forth by drones. As conflicts evolve, the question arises, could these unmanned aerial warriors be the decisive factor between victory and defeat? The evolution of warfare has consistently pivoted on technological advancements. From the invention of gunpowder to the advent of nuclear weapons, each leap has redefined the strategies and outcomes of conflicts. In the 21st century, drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, represent the latest transformative technology. The assertion that, using drones in warfare could mean the difference between winning and losing, is not an exaggeration but a reality grounded in the multifaceted advantages drones provide on the battlefield. These advantages span intelligence gathering, precision strikes, logistical support, and psychological impacts, collectively enhancing the efficacy of military operations and offering a decisive edge. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. One of the foremost advantages of drones in warfare is their unparalleled ISR capabilities. Traditional reconnaissance missions, often involving manned aircraft or ground patrols, are fraught with risks and limitations. Drones, on the other hand, offer a persistent and wide-ranging surveillance capability without endangering personnel. Drones equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and communication systems can monitor enemy movements, gather real-time intelligence, and provide continuous situational awareness. High-altitude drones, such as the Global Hawk, can remain airborne for over 30 hours, covering vast areas and providing detailed imagery and signals intelligence. This real-time data is invaluable for commanders, enabling informed decision-making and rapid responses to evolving threats. For instance, during Operation Neptune Spear, which led to the killing of Osama bin Laden, drones played a crucial role in providing real-time surveillance of the compound in Abbottabad. The live feed from drones allowed commanders to monitor the operation's progress and make critical decisions based on the latest intelligence. This level of situational awareness is a game-changer, reducing uncertainties and enhancing the effectiveness of military operations. Precision strikes and minimizing collateral damage. The precision strike capability of drones significantly alters the landscape of modern warfare. Traditional airstrikes, even with advanced targeting systems, carry a higher risk of collateral damage and civilian casualties. Drones, equipped with precision-guided munitions, offer a more surgical approach to targeting. The ability to hover over targets for extended periods allows drones to confirm the presence of high-value targets and ensure the accuracy of strikes. This precision minimizes collateral damage and reduces the risk of civilian casualties, which is crucial in maintaining public support and adhering to international laws of war. Moreover, precision strikes disrupt enemy leadership, infrastructure, and logistics with minimal unintended consequences, thereby weakening the adversary's operational capabilities. A notable example is the use of drones in the targeted killing of high-profile terrorists. The elimination of individuals like Anwar al-Awlaki and Qasem Soleimani significantly disrupted terrorist operations and command structures. Such targeted strikes are not only tactically significant but also strategically impactful, degrading the enemy's ability to coordinate and execute attacks. Cost-effectiveness and operational efficiency. Drones offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional manned aircraft and ground operations. The development, deployment, and maintenance of drones are significantly cheaper than that of fighter jets or manned reconnaissance planes. For instance, a Predator drone costs approximately $4 million, whereas an F-35 fighter jet costs around $100 million. Additionally, the operational costs, including training pilots and maintenance, are substantially lower for drones. The economic efficiency of drones allows for the deployment of larger fleets, increasing the coverage and operational capabilities of military forces. This cost-effectiveness is particularly advantageous for nations with limited defense budgets, enabling them to leverage advanced technology without incurring prohibitive expenses. Furthermore, the ability to deploy drones in swarms or networks amplifies their effectiveness, creating a force multiplier effect that enhances overall military capabilities. Force protection and risk reduction. One of the most compelling arguments for the use of drones in warfare is the protection of human life. Traditional combat operations, whether aerial or ground-based, inherently involve significant risks to military personnel. Drones, being unmanned, eliminate the risk to human pilots and soldiers in hazardous missions. The use of drones for dangerous reconnaissance, surveillance in hostile territories, and high-risk strike missions ensures that human lives are not directly jeopardized. This aspect of force protection is critical in maintaining the morale and support of military personnel and their families. Additionally, the reduction in casualties has a positive impact on public opinion and political support for military operations. During the conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan, drones have been instrumental in conducting operations in highly dangerous environments, gathering crucial intelligence, and executing precise strikes without exposing personnel to undue risk. This capability not only preserves human life but also allows for sustained operations in areas where manned missions would be prohibitively dangerous. Versatility and rapid deployment. Drones offer unmatched versatility and rapid deployment capabilities, making them invaluable assets in modern warfare. They can be quickly deployed to various theaters of operations, providing immediate ISR and strike capabilities. This rapid deployment is crucial in responding to emerging threats and dynamic battlefield conditions. The versatility of drones extends to their ability to operate in diverse environments, including urban areas, mountainous regions, and maritime settings. Drones like the MQ-9 Reaper are capable of performing a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to close air support and precision strikes. This adaptability ensures that drones can effectively support different aspects of military operations, enhancing overall mission success. In recent conflicts, such as the fight against ISIS in Syria and Iraq, drones have played a pivotal role in providing real-time intelligence, targeting enemy positions, and supporting ground troops. Their ability to quickly adapt to changing operational requirements and provide immediate support underscores their strategic importance in modern warfare. Psychological impact on the enemy. The presence of drones on the battlefield exerts a significant psychological impact on the enemy. The persistent surveillance and the threat of sudden, precise strikes create a sense of constant vulnerability among adversaries. This psychological pressure can disrupt enemy operations, lower morale, and induce fear and uncertainty. The knowledge that they are being constantly monitored and targeted can lead to operational paralysis, forcing the enemy to alter their movements, communications, and strategies. This disruption is a force multiplier, as it degrades the enemy's ability to effectively coordinate and execute their plans. The psychological impact of drones is particularly evident in counterinsurgency and counterterrorism operations, where the presence of drones can undermine the confidence and resolve of insurgent and terrorist groups. Enhanced coordination and integration with other forces. Drones enhance the coordination and integration of various military forces, contributing to the overall effectiveness of operations. The real-time data provided by drones can be shared across different branches of the military, including ground forces, naval units, and air assets. This integrated approach ensures that all elements of the military have access to the latest intelligence and can coordinate their actions accordingly. The interoperability of drones with other military systems, such as satellites, manned aircraft, and ground-based sensors, creates a cohesive and comprehensive intelligence network. This networked approach enhances situational awareness, improves decision-making, and enables more effective joint operations. In complex battlefields, where timely and accurate information is critical, the integration of drones with other military assets is a decisive advantage. Ethical and legal considerations. While the use of drones in warfare raises important ethical and legal considerations, these aspects also highlight their strategic advantages. The ability to conduct precise strikes with minimal collateral damage aligns with the principles of proportionality and distinction in international humanitarian law. Drones can be programmed to adhere to strict rules of engagement, ensuring compliance with legal and ethical standards. Moreover, the transparency and accountability mechanisms associated with drone operations, such as detailed mission logs and real-time video feeds, provide a framework for oversight and review. This accountability is essential in addressing concerns about the use of force and ensuring that military operations adhere to ethical and legal norms. Future potential and technological advancements. The future potential of drones in warfare is immense, driven by ongoing technological advancements. Innovations in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous systems are poised to further enhance the capabilities of drones. Autonomous drones, capable of independent decision-making and swarming tactics, represent the next frontier in military technology. The development of drone swarms, where multiple drones operate in a coordinated and synchronized manner, offers a revolutionary approach to military operations. Swarms can overwhelm enemy defenses, conduct complex reconnaissance missions, and execute simultaneous strikes, creating a significant tactical advantage. The integration of AI and machine learning enables drones to adapt to changing conditions, optimize their actions, and enhance mission success. Conclusion. In conclusion, the strategic advantages of drones in modern warfare are multifaceted and compelling. From their unparalleled ISR capabilities and precision strikes to their cost-effectiveness, force protection, and psychological impact on the enemy, drones provide a decisive edge in military operations. Their versatility, rapid deployment, and integration with other forces enhance overall mission effectiveness, while ongoing technological advancements promise to further expand their potential. As warfare continues to evolve, the role of drones will undoubtedly become more prominent. The assertion that using drones in warfare could mean the difference between winning and losing is supported by the tangible benefits they offer on the battlefield. In an era where information dominance, precision, and adaptability are critical, drones represent a transformative technology that reshapes the conduct and outcomes of warfare.